Amansane Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu
right yawada yamamajo na afi yensan ema makwaba ya trase emra so se dwuma de atro ni sinopi na yade bronze fisa bra kopete no nsia ebo ni nyamre na yatumi adi nkomo adwendwene oman Ghana ho ahwe amoman no atumi afanto apa e de fra se de bia meka no se yantumi ampe baby papa amfo oman yensia dachi bia no enchirima we are for posterity will judge all of us into our say itimi nyamre na dwon man no homo man no itimi fa ntoma pa if I'm din edit Sir Mike Jumadi no Sinupi. We are live on Kumawu TV, also live on Facebook Kumawu TV, on YouTube Kumawu TV. Ini yawada do say ya the 5th of August in Yamre isinkonya enti akwesi adai odike His Excellency leader and founder UPP Amanyɔkuo no or join here sanso ena kwakudia founder edema NPP Health Caucus NPP Amanyɔkuo nyina doctor afo hwe boa ema mo ko ba bia o mutimi boa ma wa obeto fom se wo yare se wo ho be kire wo se okotoje bebu on be hwe wo ono wedimu tintiman pa ono ena de ba ye sanso ena oba identifiable groups ewo MPP mu a Ashanti region ono ena kasa edemo benyamre na ene ono so atumi ede nkomati mpanefo mi na menyamre atumi ene omo esinkonwa na no say 29 years of active politics ena NPP Amanyɔkuo no omo atumi aye o man Ghana in July 29th ena 1992 ena NPP Amanyɔkuo no enya omo krata alliances a omo betumi operate as Amanyɔkuo e o man Ghana nei omo asha hofa e Greater Accra region NPP headquarters ama Benefo Ebre ena akasa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo at the NPP's 29th anniversary akasa e de nsama todwa na de wampani e kan say they have done a lot e kire ese nyame ya adoma 2024 general elections no was say NPP will win based on adwuma omo aye was say adwuma ma ya Ghana pa de 2024 elections no say mu enya mo political interest now your party ba na utimi ye adwuma pa de boa party no e boda urodi a bia no kwan say was NDC e ba 2024 His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo na nei wode atuja sanso na John Bodu any party mpanifo national chairman for the blue munyanso de atuja kire say in fact NPP e win elections bia no a election mu win e de stable Ghana was it 2016 elections NPP win ye no nkomo win ya na nkoban de begu say to na omo na aboa mo man no entumi yango benyamre na yetumi edi ehon so enkomo na one we be ka ne pa CEO e de Men's Good na one na de atuja ekire mu se he ono kura no so kura no was Men's Good adwumakuo no kwa de ne ka na one se Men's Good adwumakuo na nkasa kura no e de ne ka gidigidi pa nya agro ntimu nya de am kakeka no na ono so enya etie na we say ene special prosecutor OSP ora kisi Japan ene yetumi aswen in ama ono so no mene ka say abey special prosecutor a obedi yenua Penny Martinamidu ade na no mampani da to jakire mu say onu no ho da biara da say Martinamidu oyi no na emom ye na so de mani bia so de manu wode mani bia no wode manu na enso so Martin no a na anya adwuma nti kise Jaben onya adwuma na wontimi emfa mo man no entumi entu empon na enra na enya gro oh my Ghana for fida ye Founders Day founders no enka na ye apostrophe before S say no S no back before the apostrophe na say do bebere na bo aye mo man no itimi enya efa hodi na enra na mebuna oh my Ghana ebi mo kire say oh man no nyama nkoye nti fix the country demonstration no e course so some bebere asamoa His Excellency Akwasi Addo Dike ya share ne ye show more than a year now na me stand so on radio you follow no for so many years asamoa kan ne say constitution no afa bebere ho apro ye ntontwene enra emabro ye demonstration no didi makotre pa ne say Ghana constitution no indemnity clause mo se enye article 71 monument no enye enti constitution no enye ye ntontwene na yenye new constitution bitimi aboa enti ya no na metime bu na me say Akwasi ena ewedi am say obuoni o na mabru ne say omo mpe NPP mpe NDC omo pe third force odikan so say constitution enya ye ntontwene na say omo twafufuo amana tonkwan mu ana ena odika wa ha William na yabusa no na afi no yedi eno nso ehun komo na Saglemi housing units ehun ensensema aba over $200 million sika yes ene Ura Collins Daughter ene Alhaji Collins Daughter and afi so no honorable Kwaku Agyeman Mensah former minister works and housing bi kura na call ama Alhaji Ziblim Yakubu chief director ewo the industry hall Andrew Kolokas na afi nso so Novitete Angelo omunyina no ene yonkopiem court ama omu bill na sika no so pa $320 million any bill e dey ama omu with 3 sureties baako enye public officer se ekwa mo fa so a omo awodo contract no yenya nwiye no motuatuaka ama oman no cause financial loss to the state no enya agorunti ne ye no so bo a ye dey abo mo a obeka se enkane no before anamza Collins beba kwa no na itimensa na ho itimensa beka se de omo kanyina no enye no kre on de ejani work well ebeyamre na yetimi adi enkomo na yenkomo no gina ma me no so 29 years NPP baaye the NPP na nadan wakufado eka na sadwuma a oma ye no nyame eya adom a bibia nkire se wo so mudi nkugu 2024 se party ma no eyo mpedokra interest free hode a ekwan bia so dwuma oba abayama party no so amfa de akakora nkan wokora no a o se party ne to aso di nkunim 2024 afi nso emebu no mo Ghana enra demonstration mo ye edi eti aban ene aban abako nyina ndis na MPP fo nyina no omu wie no masa abo mo hudua se party ni bi obi okọ demonstration ni bibia odie ne mu bia no face the country wunim abako jiska we bia NDC ho ana MPP ho omobo mudua eno nso enwo nsem ha na omo odike anka ho ntie bia na ja odike mi ko hu omo de a omo so third force na bia etimi afa edi ama enyamre na etimi edi nkomaje nche na fabra na enyamre nkenkan emfa ma wo the voice note no so ba ebebo etimi edi ama na mrantem na enyamre entimi emo nkenkan so emfa ema once again yenchiao na emo adwumedin edi se Mike Aseda enkoma Gospel Casket Shop Mala Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center Award Travel and Logistics odobetu kwan Dubai osumiensa no agibisa no edi ama kuma wo training institute nyame ya aduma memende bai na otwe right and training no eba so and afi bi so enkoma Mala Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center ono so ebo amedi dwumedi no etumi edi abro Tawhid enso eboae amedi dwumedi no etumi edi abro na abejafo atenase maimo makwaba afi yen se enkoma twetwe no ase ebetwa ho aba enwa maimo abejafo no akwaba ansa na woni se ene His Excellency akwasi ade odikidie ya wada bia yene no a ene wa ha me yenche Alhaji Sani Senior papa ya obia no ye tia pa na no nkomo na ede pa nyame nsiraw afutu adema ye da bia no yeni so nyame nsiraw pa na yenche Honorable Health Minister Kwaku Agyeman Manu Honorable ye tia pa mi se nyame adom bibia nso boko na ene panifo no His Excellency akwasi ade odikita kwade fo nyina odikesu atia mo enche kra be hu no tadi Your Excellency akwaba bia boko de
ye wa ade
good and so why efe mpaboa na kra na se camera na capture mpaboa na mamia nya agro kra o emrante mpaboa pa o
sama me ya pokra sa
za oza oya besirwa
ya branche
oya branche o when samda kus dibim na no me director di ne birthday enra yemma no belated happy birthday some Dakus Samuel Kwabra Dakus CEO kuma wu TV eno na nya agoma mama ndem mama but omo mba ye no birthday no mu dipa na me ka so no kwa ulman na wo so wunyu ulman de na yese ne ne yese so be be odri de da
mama
oza well se bibia boko de right and extensively yeah share fix the country na o say e otaka pa o minim say emeburu no no mutie wa no mu say constitution no enka wo ho ntie o say pepa nka ne fi o de o mokwa o say ntontwene kura o kwara na o say nka ja ntumi ntontwene kura nya amendment o de o say ntontwene kura nkopa of bra ya be di ho nkomo but o bo na emeburu no de ama no enwa wutie o mo no how did you feel
say onyami shirawa obo abo adoma no mu beta wo
okay
Madam we politician you are like chama se
okay
o say say onyame de wo kusi ba bi e kon a o command unseen forces
okay
to support your cause in one year
okay
me say kwa me pass what trap Ghana kunya so e bia em fa the normal way but akunya be transfer Ghana
amen
ko ya ko ni akuma e wo mi mo ne correspondence ni nyame
amen Minim dia obo onyu we ukọ na si ya kai bi.
Oh. Me kwa. Gana ni bia me. Se na me ma do na Gana ko so.
Yeah.
Me ka se be ko tell Gana form.
Se utam kra so kra wo
ko. Na me se my coffee Ghanaians will resist. Obodi.
Right, His Excellency Akwesi Ade Odike. No UPP Manyuku no ono na de ba flag bearer founder nti emre no dura unseen forces will push Odike to become a president. Well, yamampa infante chiri mamema Kwakudua akwaba medical kajo Kwakudua founder the NPP Health Caucus. Nti se MPP for your program bia na obi yare obi atwahwe yemfa ninko hospital yenye ni say yema first aid ono na founder the Emma and then we no free on so identifiable groups ewo MPP mu in Ashanti region ono na kasa the Emma omo eje kwa ba
meni ameje so
dog boko de
nkopo na domo
bi akoso kama
ajana dom ya me de ache
we de ketwa bi yan sha se ntwa no mfiri wataw ena na modi 29 years.
Yeah, sure.
NPP na sama mampani kan no woni age ho say djuma waye no 2024 elections no say mu political interest free wa you win easily and again no more MPP for na obesave Ghana just like Ghana college.
Okay, meni amedashi amemfa nchia kase mfa ma Ghana for nyina ene otifo ene ohwefo nyina na ebison koma medical team Dr. Dakwane Aymunya Dano ebison kwama Asante Regional Minister ene party nimpa info e wa Asante Mantema ene MPP identify group for ni na ene mi akasa
bo me ye identify groups na identifiable groups na mo groups be ya
identify groups no obi ai ku bi wa party mu ni na no say bi ai wo NAFOC ye wo we ye wo medical team ye wo teachers ya almost so mo ye de aboa party no
okay
and yem per se be chichim na we makose ni aka ni na boom
okay
to the one people say identify group
okay nti a lawyer for mo ye MPP for
yeah
lectures for mo ye MPP for doctor for mo ye MPP for Peter for mo ye MPP for
yeah
ah makom ho mo
tiku bia ye party na nipa bia and so kasama party ni bia o ye part from the identify group and on the 2 days a V20 V16 and after the year V20
yeah okay
na mi chia mi ankasa ma ho campus so juice ni aboa
so ye nurse o
ye nurse o konfono che
okay
internal medicine but say the COVID center
oh okay ene ne yehwe wi kakra na o ye COVID center de ene yehwe ya
MPP
so ye odikedi nsabu agunu bo
MPP de se wa woni tua ye ba 29 years ni ye tena akonya so president Kufuor oyi Mr. we need 2 years I do want 2 years from police so e be can president Kufuor de no e 10 years ya ben say yan fa say president Kufuor atwa 8 years and na ado so afi na no so ko 5 years mo but to hwe no ma asesa e wa Ghana ha o de compare other political parties na obi ani hono what my yesa de no
oh sir kwame kuma CPP kura no
oh kwame kuma so be tuiska
obetu
kwame obetu iska
oh okay
na if you want mo bani na obetu iska but to hwe president Kufuor ene na ado amamu amamu tuiska
oh sir
but to hwe bia president Kufuor say inform Ghana na ma Ghana fo nyina e kombe do o manesam ma Ghana fo nyina e benya adwuma ye first na mbabu no tete ho mo nya adwuma nye oba o create no mo bi te national youth empowerment program obi o ho no ma anko secondary school krampo but sa ayibia course ayibia o de bae no distance learning o de bae no minim bebria o mokoye bia na o
distance no
yeah o mokra masters ne o mo PhD sia me kasai
sure
o de matro mas bae ono ne ma nurse for nurse Ghana na yenye nurses for hospitals but obi am person be nursing training because obi na nya akondo but o ye say down I say you train nurses more na ma wala wa say ne bia e bitime ye more nurses ne nurse for abuso a and no mutimi ye di obi ko bia obi ye aguso ye na duma nti MPP de in fact aduma ne de o de compare obi bia ye duma akotene pa
ye ba no eno de mo no bet utie enra maburu nsem mo kan ye na na de mampani kan se aduma a waye no 2024 mo be win elections no easier
na say in for home from Macrampa boy pim say di nkunima wie 2024 nye obi na be kan kire obi ma de obi mo e kasa ne na e kasa won frɛ ma say na say mo na ma ye didi and but obi kasa na wa fi na ade na de beba
omo ye dede
omo se ma kwa ngina so na wa he
e beba ho mo interest bi party no can your parochial interest lead you to a position so one penny e kan say an hwe some position and I am one interest bi
no yes sanity because party na me ji this mo ya mo position bia na obi ado my Ghana echi ana yede no bi so atutu yie amra nya ha namba be ka ho asem but ye guso ye say agura no any form ye duru ho a ene Ghana for bi ho so ya ade an say nya ade
right internet ya odike MPP 29 years one penny say and enyuma wa ye ne there for now kwa na ekoto aba e was a party ni wini
I don't mean quite any election say
the constitution in Chile
oh obet ma kwaje executive ministry COVID by say COVID no ya ne ba ye freedom I was saying limit no for parliament ema executive instrument ema no kwa say onye hihye ya ye pe opekro baka say enemu bi emi eno ye right see or say you have free movement but the BSc it imran man window so obet ma create emrafo fry say yare nti e bia na lockdown but under constitutional rule no freedom of movement and association obi atimi ni obi answer
okay
but emran man kwa ma he it is not cast in competence though so ya be man on for executive instrument of parliament say they say me test waters na me hwe Ghana for adwene say da bia na bu o man na bro ya san kwa abato na ready this year Jamesa pa on se sabaro box on Philip Biama Ghana for the program na for go
obi so mo ne party a abesebu Ghana so mo party MPP a man kai bia Ghana no kanya se bi kra ate he ya eja wadwodwo adam yi
Masa, let me tell you one thing. You pick tradition. Emuna MPP, you won't be.
okay
They were told, to Usu, 1979 to about 78 or so. I'll be trying, you won't be seen. 1992, MPP formed Parliament.
yeah
They boycotted Parliament. Wouldn't that damage a cost
for the entire
oh
for the entire
Master
not much of chateau
MPP has caused more harm to this country than
ya gentle na
wow
ya gentle pa na me cool
listen we
no say ya gentle we
for just say Nigeria the two more parliament parliament man ko
yeah
they boycotted
that was always wiem
what they fa na we
opaque events a ballot boxes
that's way when the Jamesa do mo ya Ghana for the fair and what hwe wuo no ya ka mo ase what they are not to jaya FPP ya ka mo ase no ebra ya promulgate this constitution ya me say anya ya mu bi ni esusu anya nim say FPP traditional UP traditional and the work the elders
okay
but constituent assembly no quota of the man the then just lawyers say so boycott yeah constitution when you to this and you don't form and for constitution
and before
yes and now me no what say constitution we have for I don't kutiayo. Am I a call referendum to approve this constitution? Yeah, and your numbers no pride. 50+1. It depends to about a mass constitution and
it's not edutum.
Obiano. That may be an obium. Because no much woman said, they have nothing to do with
young found.
They are in the drum for any dumb format. Afei twadeɛ bi wɔn mo do wɔn a 96 ever. Oba penny ko for ya campaign was say constitution way oba amendment. Ama he was explicit on the friend saying indemnity
clause.
Any others. Oba tira kunya no so. Everyone says that powers now executive power.
Abono ho ban no.
There obetimi dia bia o man no. Obetimi dia American. Obetimi dia segregate o man no. You know what happened? Before more what our constitution yo. Then try 8 years. Before current. Now the economy of this country was started. And we thought one to become fat. The PNT and quite come up with a full Ghana can't even trade my for listen to me. On my penny for time. And you may hear Ghana and more man called and you say commercial farms. Don't send more. How many irrigations for air? How many factories and up for air?
But I'm compare say.
Maybe no. Allow me to flow. What is comparison?
No, they are comparing
MPC, MPP, they have their flaws, but an MPP wants them here.
Yeah.
Listen to me. I get champion. Oba Nagana de car.
Okay.
We're benevolent detector. Nagana de car. Arene, Bonkom Estate, Owa, Father So Estate, a champion. Chapatre Estate, a champion. Operation Feed Yourself, Dansuma Estate, Afrawo Border, Boliga Estate, and Abrongo Estate, Sumani Estate. The whole country, Fabiano. A champion legacy is clear.
Pamatuska. Said the dog, I can say, I Batuska.
I was here at the Cabo,
okay.
A champion about 2 pounds once, or Togo, or Saba, that one, for 8 solid years.
Wow. To come once.
Once!
They'll go beyond the country, no?
Yes.
For 8 years.
8 years. Now we're not going to play. They could direct so. I'm going to cost so money $10 million. 9 years. We're spending $10 million US dollars. So we're going to pay $170 million. I have to
But don't say Omono buy no, so for buy no. I'm a tohe.
Listen.
Now don't so I'm a tohe.
I mean, yeah. Allow me. Before we do that, could not know. So that near transition from military government to democracy. So the Western world top said, let us use this guy as a role model for democracy. And our for HIPIC. HIPIC. And one for Sudia the Padano.
HIPIC no.
Almost on that. Before interventions of Mokan once again, all their vision was a short-lived one. The no can say. So before our good policies are not transformed Ghana. Why are we where we are now?
But Obisubaka said, I'm one of the Fourth Republic, no. Don't want to also say, I'm a for buy and who social intervention program.
PDP as a political party, they don't believe in it. It is not their ideology for social intervention.
I did something okay.
Allow me.
I did something okay.
MPP is capitalist inclined. So MPP almost not indoctrinate. And they said, almost alleviating poverty. And the social intervention. Poverty alleviation. Empowerment of the people and not social intervention. And the center left. NBC for and they believe in social interventions.
How? Until so Kasama NDC honestly.
No.
No. Okay.
We are center right. NDC center left.
Okay.
And my cross over for NDC.
Maybe I know who's I don't know what. What is wrong?
And a short lived and what? And the reason capitalism NDC for the MPP for the and the reason who go USA. And you may own now private. No one about 25 credit, it's your taxes, you know. About the improvement of my forecast.
Okay.
But then, they won't have to more. They get taxes and they are to my forecast. So, how do we develop the country? The private center is no more vibrant. And to man lose touch to the realities on the ground. They don't understand what it takes to develop a country. It is social intervention. My brother, America for the police, they be a private. Who gonna about responsibility. About there, you empower the private sector to be on its feet. Or more widen, or more employment tentacles. To rake in revenue for the government for development. That's about who see who are Fagana Fosika. At the air trade my forecast. Wouldn't you abandon my phone? A private sector. Kakrabi, even nurses, brother, yet a private sector.
Okay, so the whole story is that Nanado Hune said a Juma will buy a bayano. 2024 will be easy for NPP. You agree?
Very easy. Now, the mess and she
How?
I said that you call our winner.
Hwana.
Unless you were put for the damn when.
Oh, I dance here.
I dance here.
Doc,
Yeah,
Odikayoni said, I say be influence be, but yes, I had there. Some will win 2024 elections there.
They should put their parochial interests aside. You know why? One more Casano, the very political chauvinism.
I said, it's about
MPP for goodness in change, and one more administration of what who's no better my woman MPP according to me. When you have him, and you know the organizational behavior, the government behavior,
affected party.
Affected party, no, it will not send inside. Send them mafia, because Dr. Anna no name, let my boy mean you. I won't the Kuta party, no, we not. I was some uncle Labia. Who bet or move on make my control. Anna, what they Nanado is investing more in propaganda than the nation building.
No, for us now you change umbrella.
No, me da say. I'm say me papa dike. Me panasam pa. Yeah, minimum pa. But I'm say
issues.
Yeah, ni some na o kanu. Yeah na only fact.
There here.
And some of can nyina na so o ka san twa ne ho.
There here.
But they also say baby you be so say MPP ya 29 years. And they say be san ba power.
Yeah.
And I'm to base of the year no. Aduma ya na mabunu a ya ma omo aduma. Na o hwe no ma ya. Bibia di adanse say ye betimi asa ya ba power kwa dey. Etwem.
Man tell you, I your opinion.
Ada wo say. Wo kasa nam ti hedi.
So wo come in.
Dabi wo kasa me nam ti hedi. Oslo. Nti ya ma because me a gentle pa.
Yanko, ono say gentleman pa.
And because of some na okay. Ana odi akoko a kofa say Nanado personal attack bi na o say wo dey ba papa ne so. Say oye ya friend say Jill Mensa and the man iwi aban me sa de kai call abatu anka onya. But also te Ghana ha. A wo pe man pini aye dey. Edi. No ma e course nyina no uhu ye. Ye call court no. There some na court kan ye. Nti there some judges kan na mo bo ana. Dabi asama judges kan na mo bo ana. No mumwa bibia di adanse say cause mo am dey masam kwa mpo no bibia di adanse say that is no evidence I say nka tia na nkasa na ono o say okwa di adanse no e do no o say file documents be o say me ma say ma be certificates na o ko ho kwa ye dey because am say je mensa bo e say why mistake bi ewom na ho na wo wi say onye mistake when the tv say so onye mistake ono di kina kwa te ho kwa mpo no o ye mistake da bia e part o anagrams so na meni so you know what ya mpa ye ko a central region o ma hobi ade no be ye
no me be se be ko na personal or that room
yes I agree central region
no but enfo ye funu nante no enfo ye funu nante really kokudia
eja ku you won't go in that
because yes meni manka minim say wona
or say entry
no
let
us deal with the issues
yeah but the issue na okay no yeah propaganda
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akon
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo betome ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne timi mo ye kete oh ho no chine techere ma te se abo ho no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu na say ebeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Komewood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
and yarwa hodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu age atum se eye
well our pia you say say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma me di we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma me why slower
ke busa yenko nyenko Kumase
munko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantuo ya wo semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo ne busu ya pani asoma me semina me pada e Kumase akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da kai
ya nansani mo na moda so a mo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betu Ghana ana me na nakobedantwi woto na nanom ansia do ne eja yi ne bo me so e wa brede mi ni kapre odu obi na kire me go so casket shop e wo Kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma ana mo sa ne me yes kan hye ye o
wo de bi ntwa no
Misika ya di ma me se me famra no. Ni so afesu ya se me be ambulance. Na me sam fe de be de da no enka ambulance. Ani de be da ho. Omu ya ambulance service. Itu ni problem kra. Ani na. Ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know say Kumasi stay by plan o. Ye ko nam ko kire o. Some Coastway Casket Shop here. You will not come every to send the movie now. Coastway Casket Shop. You will Kumasi in Fontenay Town. You need labor office na bank. Coastway Casket Shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, yasan at the baby for frokra and eba. Yasuansa no juma bebre. Na de yadi by dear. Aya duchum. Yanyan wo baby ada. Way aya for frokra. Ike 1 any Kumawood TV akaboma yede ebrewo eya sonko kwanso kra ye be kire wo niam bi te se invisible biofuel digester eno no ye nto blog bia ye no form hosa enti uba unhu se ye bibi te se o flash na ahye unhu nanso o flash ya na ahye eno ane efre no invisible biofuel digester we onsuan wo ba bia bra na ye nkire e wo Kumawood Training Institute afei so ye be ye bibi ti say Milo making eye Milo ye de ye tin e de ye mpampa e de ye niam wo fi anopa no bra ne kire se na esi ye Milo eno no wo betimi aye akoton anya sika afrimu afei so se ne ye si e de soya beans eye nido bra ne ye nkire se na esi eye no emani meme mu amaso aware anase wo ne odofo biti ho na wo libido no ekofom bra ne nkire libido drink wankasa obaye no wo fie na amawo atenka ewo mpem we die emani mema ayasem de pa bra ne nkire kama pa infertility drink eno so emana muntimenwo
ewusia yensan ema makwaba go so sinupi live on Kumawood TV ebiara upie frifie with me join here ewo Facebook Kumawood TV ana YouTube also Kumawood TV odo adwenche ne bantemo a ye nyamre akenkan etumi ede ama voice note in less than 1 minute odo ba bebo enso etumi ede ama medin ede say Mike His Excellency akwasi ade odike ofia sanso na kwakudia enso ewa pamentia Amasco Fashions ho ye fese ya ne de aseda no ama Amasco Fashions Kenya say Garden City University wa ena Amasco wo ko na ojuju na onso ho enyefe well enra ena fix the country demonstration no ekoso fix the country demonstration we say akokot ye mamon ko positive na ekọ na eba enra demonstration no ekoso nipa dodo ena ekoye in fact the expectation no organizers na say eburo mo sokra Ghana for ebunu ena akasaba you could see a 76-year-old man ukuta na poma no so ekobi we say over 12 years now ena 1% could be opportunity a demonstrate a kire NDC demonstration or NPP demonstration e dey a kire o minor said yekoso no enye but now onya opportunity no enra onya asa opportunity no briefly yenkonko he kakra bi ne nsema mabro no tutu dwa ye ba inyamre na yetimi edi ho enkomo
emu ya ding yifu nya duma ye lord kwanga say school say ye nya shi rado be ye nya shi nya so fasi bia enti onko pension 77 years kasanu tifie na ato na 7 kira oni nan man keye na mna tinya duma ye wo so ba de duma ba wo fa duma bia ma wo man ma ye ding ana krono wo kum dipa wo nya shi kra wo ho na be wiawo woman scan wa kwache scan wa go scan inti ya sran scan ko tia se fa kan da kwa ko di sabura tifina ko su me mangana ni na nado wa bo braba kwa magana wa be gwin ani ma se papa
uzu free na ba shall no smas ni ofre boase
ba ai
enti die enti na wo free boase na ne wa be pie mu e won kran
ejuma semsem ma be pie no aboase o AGA man so and see you say when you binya galamse kakra so ye didi so a ekufo ado abeguno ye school ti fie nya dwuma ye onso ni mbo bia de boa onso na se nto abama ye be se akira se next 4 years anya de beto abama ye nto abama biem Umbapo BM, 1 million Jumania, Umbapo BM, ye Pejuana, why? Who is car? I don't miss car first car. I know scar out the Mesca for a family. That is the gas. Yet discuss your bread on your scar. Sack what the money shot all the more.
Young Cornelian in Pennyfa who wants to end and come on. The focus in there say, Obia need there. Obia need there, say, fix the country, Obia on the problem. Say, would you bet to me, say, ABR. Government, constitution in yet. Obedience to a hospital. Obedience to a school line on the streets. Sanya man saying the focus is there. A buy now or Mashishania ma. What is the focus of this demonstration? Why are you here this morning?
The focus of this demonstration is to let those in power know that the youth are very unsettled and very unhappy about what is happening. People of all classes are here today to let people know that it will not be tolerated anymore. The corruption, the laziness, the indolence, the lack of ideas is too much.
Who is lacking the idea? Is it a citizen or leadership? Who is lacking the ideas?
Who is lacking the idea? Lacking the idea is the one we have been educated. We have been miseducated to believe that everything should be from the top down. So it is of course the leadership that have to educate the people in order to have the ideas. They're the ones who decided to get up and say vote for me. So the fact that they have said vote for me and they're not doing anything better means that they are responsible for the problems we're experiencing.
Demonstration there, and no actually say people are not happy. And after this, wherever they are or more effort, they are already feeling it. And per country demonstrations and we are making them unpopular and we are making the whole world get to know say they are not representing us.
What did I get on? I say, oh papa, money home money man for your cocoa team is yes, oh papa. Our Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is the founder of this country and we appreciate Kwame. Trouble. Ghana Central for Munche Mahanyedi, Munche. Bako. Menka when I'm see from the time Nusa. Ghana media and Yanka Samanchamo. Baby, I'm here, Jumakane. There's some Canada do some. It's me free ho. Yeah, man, V8. Na Yana Yatuaba. Yanya Yatia Pax. Yanya useless Okroim. We want to tell them, sir. Yenara assassini. Abo tende maye moja na nalu sheru yeto. Etu beni woso eni Uganda. Ya usani fancy.
You see, perfect the country for leaders. You see any leaders. You see more na more leaders no. Na no. Bese me wa sembia me bese me ka kire mu. Me ya ibeni ba. Asante for the tete me. Buru for the tete me. Me ni aba wa ide gati ni. Me no na me girlfriend ni. Obana de me kayirano. Na ya wasani. Ye gara fo no. Ye fa tribe and divide ya hubium. Ye fa politics and divide ya hubium. Accommodate me so. Accommodate also. Ye bisa so na wo ye de go ni ase na accommodate. Ye bisa so ye gbani ase na accommodate. It is anko sesem ye jai. Ye gara hira na ye temu bi. It is a siano ye siga na youth. Ye kono. Ye bi fi ye di kokumase. Ye fi kumase e ko tamale. Ye fi wo ye be sanko ho. Ye fi wo ye ko takrade. Obia baby. Obia be demonstrate bi. It was a young year. Peja so left crossroad. Now for it, me. The Yasa Kamakawi, Mekabi, Bamakabi. Mekabiana. Oh, say, open your crossroad. Maybe the Kaya Bomodia. Body, Okala body. I am me, Okata Chefu for Mesa. The
yɛhyɛ bɔ sɛ ɛfi na de kɔ ɛnyɛ mpipisɛm ɛnyɛ ndisisɛm ɛnyɛ sipipisɛm ɛnyɛ piɛsisɛm ne ma yɛ Ghana nti sɛ yɛdan yɛkyi ɛma Ghana biara ɔtwa dɛ mpɔntua ɛka sɛ obi gyina baabi na sɛ deɛ nti a wɔyɛ adeɛ wɔ yi ɛne sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde kɔgye sika firi MPP ne ani si hɔ a nananom nku no ɔtwa dɛ mpɔntua ne ka yare ani aduɔmmɔ no yɛhyɛ bɔ sɛ ɛfi na de kɔ yɛbɛde nokorɛ ama ɔman Ghana na amamuofoɔ amamuo kankan a ɛfiri 1992 ɔmode ama yɛ no yɛto agu ɛyɛ nkwasiamamuo 1992 constitution yɛ nkwasia constitution afei tiai ɛfiri 1948 tianie tie choboy na wo sɛ Ghana fɔ mmerantɛ bebree mu nim baabi ɛfiri ba choboy wonim arako sɛm bi mohwɛ Black Star no ke kɛkɛ atɔ fam yɛmpɛ nyimfoɔ no agyimiaa ma wodwe wo a wonte aseɛ yɛgyina religious leaders won omu wicked anya religion na make ho asem anka face the country e was anka sofo any imam ni sheikh for do omu hujim imam bi wa ha e bedru abato a no mo asesa emu ni nantwie no mo de akozongo no mo de akoma sheikh for ni imam for no mo age no mo awe no mo agada zongo youth ne say mo konkoto aba
enti wey ene kakra enra ekoso the basics ene say bebru no say oman mu ayetin oman wo say leaders no oman lose focus enya sa anso dia e bia na ya bro na omubo mabunu no enti omu sorry aje oman Ghana omu ye boni bia na mum demonstrate ye kire no mo ye e de ti ana ensam mi no omu kan ye pa no ne say constitution no 1992 de sabi enye yensesa no na afi nso empanifo no enya krono no a mo bo man no na omumie nnwuma ema mabunu no enya bi enye nti enra demonstration no itwatia eno no well mame chase your doctor ho kwaku me nti o first omu kan nyina no na ya besu se NDC NPP wo ye NPP ni mama mo amwa Ghana on peut third force ti bia me do dike kwa ya hwese mabunu no be ma no dia
okay emi ya medasi ayem de pa se sa de wi aba na do pen so emi de pa because from omo aba ko ni nyina no obi antimi an fixe na se na do na ba fixe dia na se ya fixe a na se bibia kon kan a ade na man ko bi aka bi the time I had my baby. Over 11 good years, I said 2011. President Mahama Betnaso. Next is for we 2011. Almost trying to for how many years? Because that time now, and this for say, almost care the finances. Almost care what the teachers. Even to allowance come much pay more. But Nana Dubai and our fixes are no money now. Let them start to say. And they don't so heavy. That is not to be a Ghana song. Among Pini be the home of it, my baby be 100%. But the August are all an idea. Oh, no, August, they are money 8 years. 4 years no, you're free education. Okay. Now, a BBA nursing to a BBA secondary school. I have JSS or Tiffin and not so you didn't do kuku. Na konya sa nimdie na nkopeso nyi ba na onya akonya nkuram ene sa ni papa no onya akonya wuram Yanko Central de ba could be na oni kapre. But we onya results on ya say. Onya what singing number.
Yeah.
And the study pa kro na nam he. So we UK wo sia de. The scholarship pa ye de ama no. That's right, Naku. Obabe 100,000. Na say ye adwuma. Yen ka so mon kokotena fiyo. Banks na ye gu omo no. Egu ye no. Anase ye kam ya gu ya ma obi asika nyira. Ya kan na bom say sabio. Obi a na di ni sika koto obi akọ. Aha na koji usika. Obi an complain.
But a man for lusu omo dwuma.
Omo ya form nyina ye bankers na ya kan ni na bom ni. That is no onipa ba ko bia ni hono ma okotena fie. I'm telling you.
I know some of them were. No mo ye dwuma. But they meji ye no. Ebi mu twere mo.
One bed. There's so who kwan na ofa so akoye adwuma no. So bi kwampo na bank for the first say on that payroll so dada. But anaso ye bibi. Nti ye fa na enye yie. Nti ye so kono correct sa mistakes no. Aso na asan ba bi. But nti sa obi eni hono ma losing a job. Shekoko na kuafo. President Anado and the man na kuafo abon nsema Ghana person Ghana.
Koko for no yeto ko no kwa intimi ntua no.
Ana kai se intimi ntua.
Oh nya we. Last month national konafa.
Me ka bibia.
Koko for.
Me koko ni bi.
Okay.
Do asan to gwa ko bu na ma. Kasa pekokrum. Ohana me fu.
Wo de oton ya na fi no.
That is good. Oton ya sika wo ho. Se me catch so obi asese aton kuku ni bi aso ya ton kuku en fan sika ba. O don fa paper nimra.
Oh, but you tia na national president Kuku family.
That is never true.
Now what can say be former.
Enya no kre baby a. Oh, opa on fan an kratamra. Say yentua ne ka. Enya no kre. Na o hwe sa no mo wi ya na nado eyi. Na oguso office kono. Na yesuso ye oman ayi fa say oman ma no. Yesu ya se de ne say. Ya ke adwuma. Oguso ayi fa because say oba be 1 million a year parliament. Ya approve 1 million Ghanaians oba be adwuma ya dey. Eye. Share police ye fa 5,000. Over 11,000 police kwa 11,000 ayi. Police service ko ya fa say 2,500. Ada yi ni ka ni na boma o be 11,000 o de ko ka ya fa say na ko ni krampo ya ha me normal no e che kosoro. Apart from that no ya sa ba be fa ya fa say hwe you that for litigation over be 25,000 plus ya ura sejon obade for the currency o ye to ho enti say minim de enti o say ya fa say normal nko ye na normal me hu njina so a o mo njina so kasa ba me hu ni say political party bi na say o mo ti o mo yesa
oh wo se ba buru no kra bo mo hu bia say wa woni mu ama ndi
na ni
kwa kwasiase no
mama nso ye wo ko bebre wo Ghana hanoma ye ti ku se say ano de o mo njana political party bia but we e che na o mo leadership na o mo ye na o mo contest MP for political party bi name edimo yes
ti me buru no political party bi na show ma say
me say ebedu be no de say ye te Ghana ha omo na so mo organize na omo so mo ye e fa omo lead ye no o de say wa ha obohu nipa dodo omo twen omo ti say oba mo contest MP awo political party bi name
say no ebia na ene de omo nya omo adwene sa
yeah because o de pe bibi
oh sir
o de ton no ho
almost say fix the country
na nipa
omo gina Black Star Square kura na black no ya twere ho no ye de ade na abobọ ho black no
yeah
na ke no kura bu ato atwene that alone oh my Ghana ntimi fix it
oh my Ghana ntimi fix it on fixing it for a day pa na papa no on fixing mama maka baby
they should the government should fix their roads akwan do no anye
na kwan say oba komasa dabi so oba komasa say ye guso ye kwan so we declare last I say you know oba kwan this 2021 ya was not declare say Ghana kwan ina so oba be 3,000 plus oba be ye
kilometers
yes
na omo ye there because contractors no o de keka ho o de sako kan bia kan o ja to wa mamanfo boni tiri so para so de ke meya kwan no but o sisika
bisa say o de ke So oye bia bisan say o ne nsa kan sika ne nsa kan.
Okay. Ti do beka bia be jedi.
Ya beka bia no be jedi. And that is not to say yes so ya ba be ye. Ye go so aye boaboa. Say yes so no. Yes so ye be every district bia no DC is na pontuduma ne na se for aye ne nyina no. Ye do ho na ya kan say MC documents ne 4 years or better no. Bra be gina public na ka kire magana fo nyina hu ne say nya na na do. Oguso office Ghana eko. Nti yeso so ba be yesa de no. Ama omonso so no ehunu say nyese papa na ote ho. Oguso office eko. Na oguso so o yeso so. Na ye ne de say aba na pen so say eno mo bi wo no ma ye tentre no. Ana se ye kai no na oje. Nti me de me hu fom so bia we ho. Ah ye say we say ka say no man ko ye no man ko. Even though German na so for problem. Enye Ghana kwa ne we say yesu se mbabunu ti hono aye ko lockdown crab no hwe omo na mo bibie hwe sika na do twama aye fa se adwumayefo eso omo sene o ti se obi school gu ye o ti se obi se na adwuma gu amra o ti ho nya aye fa se ontimi tu na weka sika onye ne na yi nipa kro no ebia na kwan ofa so na o use ne sika na de bia o se ede ne normal na ye no ono na ebia o ma adwuma ne kola se but nye na do the management be an uncle ye. Wow. Yeah. The management ko ye anka. Oh mama cousin and I do.
Economy emunya den. Ene we adwuma na ye ma 4%. Ye fuel mu. Ma ye to cash
fuel. Anya aban na etu fuel. Nti ye ma ye mfa fuel mfa nya politics. Political party be any hono ma obitu aka say o de be ye campaign ba be say. Professor Mazi aka say. Professor Mazi ya ani fa class here. Obeka tire say Oba obeti part do do man about 1 city. 10 cities. Yeah, 3 cities. That time top part we say 60 cities.
So you no kwana kai me ka wan peni da ko fo so Jubilee House. That time na young pa afi na da yesu so me ka so pika gallon de kire.
But with me talk. Then ko fo buy o tum no. Fa one na o tum no. One tum fu am bi me akopem say ko. Professor first Professor me be fa kunya shooter na.
Oh sir,
I'm telling you.
So on penny that I could for buy.
How many fuel and about 2 more?
See, I'm too
do and do saying.
I can't tell the number of times. No, but
that's 6,000.
6 cities.
Oh, that's never.
No, 19 for Kofo.
No.
No? Mills be fine because Mahama Crab when I say fuel.
And then 19 cities a year. Once a chap of time near denomination.
It's Canada. Okay. Okay. And Mabruna say, a Juma Wyatt. Corruption. And
corruption now more can any day. What do can to be to make and say what you are corrupt. Me who idea major as we are corrupt. What can be a corrupt no? I didn't know just what papa we. I didn't know afa. Brabe body. On so chemra our Ghana. Okay. And now be so a from for so I will find a fast way the day. I didn't fast say we are Ghana. I'll bet my report no.
Okay.
And the same was as in the court than day issue. And to say evidence passing the person was you are corrupt. Why are they free same from so man? I didn't know for them the right way.
Right. They touch on the indemnity clause. And I feel so no Article 71. Say, I'm not constitution in any bogus. Sebi, a beya against a constitution.
Yeah, can't win and Emma will be a corrupt nana.
And Nina can't face the country. Some of the two.
Based from the Omokra, Omojan Omokan, yes, sir, I no documents, me and Uncle presented their ma, Ebia, Omo Moshe, BJ. First, almost and crack to Moshe or the church for Sampa, as soon as you should not work that. But don't think because now I want to now Boadoma now Jack I say Ghana from you be a corrupt without evidence. I didn't tell some corrupt. And to me, who say I don't mean a common crank also. Oh, sir, I'm telling you. Man, the moon crank. A yapa.
Right. Masaba, Mamin call with the Comra. Your Excellency, Mintio, fix the country. And somewhere or more attached on unemployment issues, rules issues, the issue of almost we Black Star Square Hokrano. Someone said there is a big problem. I was say, oh man, you fix it. Say black no crana king anyhow. And then your constitution also. 92 deɛ na yɛnto no
biggest country for we have Unsham, one of them. Abia Benya Chi and the Puno say, Woman, Tunisia, but 74 hours I young Bibia. We first one, remember us. Was a woman in you.
Youth, you are American man, so between youth.
The Constitution of 1992. If 1992 basic there, Ghana now should be that. Man, before 1992, I'm on Ghana. And Yama na your sister. Now a walk Ghana ha. Yanni near benefit me no. Many many crowd come and say will be. A bra, you are honest, a very cool. Now, ultra fly, you say, Tambana hand over power, say, to whom? Or this massacre for BMS, Sanon, so many of them. Now, it was perceived as for and how mine. Then it's that. Oh, come the Baba, we want more. We want more. Afraid yet, do it. Do something
before you die.
Yet Sahara. Yet Yedimwa Kobase. Also, my transition from military to democracy. Now, Judge runs so say, oh, because some of my account 48, and you never be there, who may Tiagana for. Say, what democracy, the law will go after them.
Okay.
It is the promulgation of 1992 Constitution. All the powers executive arm of government, of which we always need. Say, obey katakata no side, abwa democracy mabe president, of which we need. Minya, Sabra ye Constituent Assembly, at church I didn't try the constitution here. You be tradition say. Because Sada near my allocation, the Nipa from Constituent Assembly, identifiable groups, lawyers, the traditional rulers, associates, unions. Almost so many are paying now, what are the more minister? Now, so many a constitute half Gomonko and Pamanko. It's after promulgation, you know. Yeah, go to the ground, yeah, 50+1. But you didn't be our Cassati, a referendum, yeah, get to. Sorry, yeah, now so a constitution way, yeah. It's constitution, you know. JJ was, I said, many bomb me, who punish a bear, who be in a pine, and take him. The one your mind.
Of which at that time, and a half a loaf was better. Dan say o enya bi kura bi say pese o free so
and na sabre no na the happiness e wo no e wa na for that
yeah
etuni we read the architectural structure of the constitution now maybe a government student so when it comes to governance which is the three arms of government you know obi ayi do separately by the same constitution baby no asa process executive arm not to be called parliament, equal ministers. We might done at 30. On percent, you may impeach, you know.
Okay.
It will go far 50% of the parliamentarians in the ministers.
We never can.
It is there will no impeachment. After me, I appointed Chief Justice. Me, I appointed Electoral Commission. That's a Kopaba will up one. After all the heads of institutions. Me na my appointing so that I can micromanage them.
Yeah.
And my bumu tie the year. It is before now. Who will not power appoint to woman na uncrofo. It is coming that we know of Abrewa. No more akwaya dia. I could come out here.
To be sorry to
sorry
you have the power to
sack him. It's not Obama power. Fair constitutional must be. You need strong institutions. and not strong men. Ghana, you have strong men now to create strong institutions.
How?
Maybe to constitution may come as about 6 years.
Yeah.
Radio Piami Kopia Makan and that when I'm not for 4 years, I started to the Americans. I don't know the president in the year I did. And now call police station. As someone said, authority above Yama. Not I am a basa. Electoral commission was in the Panama. Go to Singapore. IGP. Commissioners are the poor. No may you my IGP. You're not the president. But for any of without fear of favor. It is the artist and the professionalism. I have more. What I say? Nana go for say what about any DCs, any MCs, you know, on partisan line. Now, what's the powers in our bubble? Yes, I got to about Congo form. And yes, some members stand to the partisan line. Nana go for the president, Regional Minister in Aquala, DC in Aquala, Assemblyman in Aquala. None for your powers.
But I said a new society.
And I'm saying that is why the constitution is broken. Power, I was saying that for the good to bed. Yet, they have more powers. Yet the power belongs to the people. We must have the power to hold them accountable. Say powers now could do so. I could give them for them. And they yet to man my vulnerable to the laws of the land. The Tulum Diaba, we cannot hold them accountable. The Tiranaku for the Soria was the basic cathedral. Mupo Messi. We have to meet challenge. What's the kind of for your time of fast? Seminar finance minister. Nobody can challenge.
For that party back.
Please allow me to express myself. How can I now make the UBM? But the $10 million, if they will make more contact.
Opa one radio.
On Benian Casa.
Oh,
Opa
Benian Casa.
Opa president radio.
Okasaramoa. Uni. You try it. And now we have a educational summit. Oh, look, you know.
Oh, so today.
How the British Airways the boy.
Oh, so
You can't put you.
Say what?
That's why you're listening.
Oh, now $10 million. Say best out of Fandoma. Is it going to be refunded?
No.
My brother, I hear your name. The constitution went now. The Kofa Pope don't Paul. Ever tell good man swap. Or they are corrupt because the architectural structure of the constitution is giving powers to the executive arm of government. Excessive powers. Now power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts.
Absolutely.
It's a system not corrupt already. And systemic failure. This is
that's a own opportunity. I'll buy a me as a constitution.
Immediately, I just said Ghana. You could figure this getting out the Gua and that shit. Because system no MS can no checks and balances. The PI basa.
How politically that's in area and answer public sector.
Oh, they say when power corrupts, absolute power corrupts.
Absolutely.
I looked in Ghana. Every 1992 basin there. Transformation cost in the air retrogressive backwardness and I got there. No be a minister. Now you used to 190 nice and air tax 220 super black and air tax. That's an aboboy and air tax here. Go back at some kind of air that yes, you saw me come with my cascasi, Mampon Road, which are swimming, Quanta runabout. Bass Macmacon, 70 to a beer common for direction.
1 minute be about the trip.
Bass them out from yes, sir. You could take it here and I am free. Which is got a news car.
Okay.
It's not your boss. I will say, good plan on what before dancing. What transfer a quarter back at your wounds. That's how I don't call. When that time, you're running down. And a quack.
That's an population. It's
oh, Pastor, please. Population.
Not
maybe population.
Yeah, those
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Sine papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Sine papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Sine papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem Sine